I am on a website here that I'm using to source some worksheets. So I'm on Corporate Maths, and this could be any website, and I'm looking for some problems related to money. So I'm going to search for money on this page. Control F lets me do that, and I want something to do with worksheets on money. So maybe I'm interested in something to do with buying. Okay, so some practice questions here. If I click here for the questions, it comes down as a PDF. But you'll probably see that some of my problems here is the use of pounds. Okay, and probably also the use of p at times. So maybe I'm going to try to deal with some of that. So I'm going to show you my little trick for that. So if I download this, I'm going to save it as money paying, and I'm going to put it into my downloads. Okay, and now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to open up Microsoft Word. Okay, so Microsoft Word is going to open here for me. And I'm going to tell it I want to open. And I'm going to scroll all the way down, and I'm going to tell it I want to browse for the worksheet that I actually just downloaded. So maybe I'm going to take this one, money paying. I have it twice there. So I'm going to open up that worksheet. And what it's going to do is it's going to open up that PDF for me. So it's going to, you can see it there, it's converting a PDF into a Word document. So when it does that, you're going to have to tell it that you want to actually be able to edit that. Okay, so it'll give you an option to edit in a moment. So you need to tell it you want to be able to edit that document, allow editing. So now I'm on the document, and I can see, for example, these pound symbols I don't want. I want it to be euro. So here's my trick. I'm going to use the Control H, which opens up this panel, and I'm going to tell it that I want to find the euro, the pound symbol, so Shift 3, and I want to replace it with the euro symbol. So my Alt G R and 4 gets me that. So I'm going to say I'm happy enough that everywhere it finds it, it can actually just replace them. So I'm going to ask it to replace all of those. So it found 28. So now as I scroll through there, where it's finding the pound symbol, it's replaced with the euro symbol. Now what you need to watch out for here is that it may not make those changes. You can see it there in images, okay, because it wasn't able to read that within an image. Okay, so that question you could either change around the image there, or decide to just remove that particular question. My other problem is all the use of the P. So what I'm going to do for that is I'm going to Control H again, and this time I wanted to find P, but the problem is it's going to find P in words as well. So I'm just going to we want to replace it with C, but I'm going to ask it to go through them. So I'm going to tell it to find the next one, so find next. So I'm only going to replace it like there, replace. So if you want to go through them individually, sometimes it might take, you know, a couple of minutes, 3 or 4 minutes, probably less even. You can tell it to just replace the ones that are necessary. So once I've that done, I can go ahead and close it, and you can see all these types of questions. I find that really handy as well if I find a PowerPoint or something I like from another jurisdiction. I can use that not just in Word, I can use it in PowerPoint and lots of places as well. So that's the Control H functionality. It allows you to find something and replace it with something else. And that's also using the functionality of Microsoft Word, taking a PDF document and turning it into an editable Word document. Really handy, really useful, and not that difficult for anybody to pick up and use.